There are over 51 million channels on YouTube, each channel fighting for a place in the big leagues. 29,000 channels have reached a major milestone: 1 million subscribers. One channel, Ali Abdaal, has risen above the rest in the field of self-development. With over 3 million subscribers, Ali comfortably sits in the top 0.05% of all YouTubers. How has Ali gained 3 million subscribers? Let's find out. Ali Abdaal's channel has undergone 3 major evolutions. He started his YouTube career as a Cambridge medical student, giving advice for those interested in studying medicine. Then he progressed to become a doctor in the UK. Therefore, the type of person that would follow him, his audience, would be motivated, determined, and in need of some productivity hacks, which is how he naturally progressed into the self-improvement and productivity realm. For example, with my audience, they're most likely interested in self-development or my life. Let's be honest, no one's interested in my life. Ali has evolved over time, but he's only ever evolved once he understands his audience and his niche. Once you understand these two things, you know what the audience is expecting, and then you can provide value. He doesn't upload randomly, but he uploads with a purpose to provide maximum value for his audience. Let's take a look at his goal-setting videos. 4 out of 5 of these videos were uploaded either at the end of December or through January, which is when his audience are most likely wanting to set goals because of New Year's. Ali knows the value that he can provide his audience is information. Now, you may not provide information. The reason I watch Ali Abdaal is different from the reason I watch KSI. I watch KSI because the value he provides is comedy. Bear with me for 30 seconds. I'm going to go off on a bit of a tangent, but this is vital for YouTube success, and Ali knows it. We pay for things in 2 ways: time and or money. When we pay for something using one of these means, we expect a certain amount of value for it to be considered a worthwhile experience. When you go out to dinner with your friends, you pay with money and time. The value you get in return is an enjoyable experience with the people you love and food which is necessary for survival. Now let's apply the same situation to YouTube. If you can provide so much value, and I mean a ridiculous amount of value, and all the viewer ends up paying is 10 minutes of their time, then you would have given an extremely positive, worthwhile experience. And the viewer is more likely to like, subscribe, and view future videos. This is why providing value is so important for YouTube success. Ali Abdaal provides value through tips and tricks and productivity hacks, which can help you lead a happier, healthier, and more productive life, which is his entire aim on YouTube. What makes a good YouTube video? Ali Abdaal divides this answer into 2 concepts: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsically, you can answer this question by applying the cringe test.
If someone came up to you, like a friend or family member or someone on the street, God forbid, and said, "Hey, I watched one of your videos the other day," or "Oh, haha, I can't believe you started a YouTube channel, I watched one of your videos." If you would cringe at that, it means that your videos are probably not very good.
It's no longer the, "Oh no, please don't watch any videos, I hate the way I look, the audio, the editing," to, "Oh nice, that's really cool, I hope you enjoyed the video." When you get to this point, you know internally you've made YouTube success because you're no longer embarrassed about your videos. You know they're good. And at that point, it doesn't matter if you have 30 million subscribers or 1 subscriber. Thanks, mum. The second concept is the extrinsic nature of YouTube. If you can get people to click on your video and watch your video, then it's a good video. That is the $1 billion formula. To analyze these 2 points, you need to monitor your click-through rate and watch time. How does Ali get the initial click? This is through titles and thumbnails, which truly are a science. The aim is to have a title and thumbnail that spark enough interest to get the viewer to click on the video. Look at what he wears in his thumbnails. Neutral colours to draw attention to a random interesting object, or bright colours to draw attention to himself when there is no interesting object in frame. His thumbnails are quite light, which radiates the positivity of his channel. This is a conscious decision as it is in line with his brand image. His titles also pique interest and curiosity. In this video, Ali is open with how much he earns and he puts it in his title. How much you make in a year is not something that's commonly spoken about. So when someone actually puts it in a YouTube title, it piques your curiosity, and this title can attract a wide range of viewers. As soon as he has the click, he delivers on his thumbnail and title. For example, in the video, he actually told us how he made that much money in 2021. This ensures his engagement remains high, and then YouTube will recommend his video to more people. Clickbait or misnaming your video will cause people to quickly click off. Ali's quality is always improving, year on year, video on video. His audio quality is amazing and his visual quality, so where does he go from here? Ali now has an entire team to help improve on the smaller things to make the viewing experience more enjoyable. The animations have a timer around the side so you know how long each point will take. He talks quicker at the start of his video. Why? To hook the audience. These are a lot of minor improvements that Ali from day one didn't have. On a graph, time on one side and overall video quality on another, it has a positive correlation. So the more you upload over a longer period of time, the more you will improve. Improvements are linked with YouTube success. Whilst on a granular scale, it may vary a bit, as you cannot predict how well an individual video is going to do. The overall trend is positive. 3 tips Ali Abdaal tells us to grow on YouTube. Consistency is king. Upload 2 videos a week for 2 years. Use your unfair advantage. We all have unfair advantages, whether it's the amount of money we have, looks, intelligence, or a combination of things. At the start for Ali, it was being a Cambridge medical student. An unfair advantage can be something that requires a lot of skill or money to learn. Have less friction in your workflow. Making good videos is difficult, so you can create certain systems to reduce the difficulty. For example, you can have a template on Notion to flesh out your video ideas, or start creating a B-roll bank of footage that you can use in your videos. This second tip is something that another big YouTuber, Kelly Wakasa, also uses. It means that you can get a really good quality shot once and use it for different videos. This means you can save a lot of time when it comes to filming. So now you know how Ali Abdaal has gained over 3 million subscribers. Let's drop him a quick FaceTime and see if he has anything else to add. Hey man, I'm just filming a YouTube video. Do you have any advice or is there anything that the audience should do?
Do hit the subscribe button if you aren't already.